Manjushri. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll try to make this session as snappy and crisp as possible because I know it's the end of the day for you. This session will have as its panelists Dr. Anjali Prakash from the Learning Links Foundation, Mr. R.P. Pal, Secretary Information Technology Goa, Vikrant Mahajan, who's the National Coordinator Sphere India, Mr. Hari Iyer, Director Core Projects and Technologies Limited India, and if we're able to get Mr. Ravi Sinha, he will also join us. Before we, please. I'd like to briefly share with you what this session is going to focus on. This is a session that looks essentially at country experiments using ICT in the education sector, may look at case studies therein, and an impact analysis on the use of ICT in education. What are the factors that have led to the success of such ICT programs? How do you conceptualize effective ICT evaluation instruments? Who are the stakeholders in effective monitoring and evaluation? What are the indicators of ICT-based projects? And what can be the kind of performance indicators that we use to measure the success or not the success of any program? What are the indicators that we can have of student and teachers' practices in ICT-enabled classrooms? The conceptual frameworks for ICT programs, monitoring and evaluation. The existing limitations that exist for such projects. Where are the ICT resources to set up such classrooms, to set up such projects, to look at issues of teacher training, classroom pedagogy, student skills, and how do you integrate program management methods and monitoring and evaluation systems and outcomes into the country ICT in education. So the panelists may choose to present on some aspects of the broadly identified themes. We have 90 minutes with us. The session is structured in the following manner. Each panelist will have 10 minutes to speak. When there will be 3 minutes left, an indicator will be shown to you. And at 10 minutes, your time over will also be shown to you. We request panelists to strictly adhere to the time. We will have between 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how much a panelist may or may not overshoot his session, for questions on each of the panels, on each of the panelists' issues. So with that, I'd like to welcome you once again, and we can actually start with the session. I'd like to now invite Mr. R.P. Pal, Secretary IT Goa, to start with his presentation, please.